Hi, I'm Anna, and this is the R5 Leather Workshop. And today we're going to finish our discussion of the best places to buy your leather and leather supplies. The next one is Tannery Row. This is one I discovered a little late in the game. They are the exclusive retailer for pretty much anything Horween leather. That's really what they're focused on. Although a few others that I have mentioned do offer Horween. If you really want a wide variety of Horween leather specifically, Tannery Row is the place to go. You can find all kinds of stuff there. They've got pretty much everything you can find. One of the other things I love about them is they tend to always have a section of clearance stuff, and one of their best bargains is their surprise sides. It's like a mystery box. And if you're not super stressed out about the colors you're getting, and especially if you're just starting out, you can get a huge side for $135. And typically it's also free shipping for that item. They also have lots of clearance, like I said, and they do tend to have sales quite often. So look out for them. Definitely sign up for their email to get those deals from them. The cons of this is that they really only have leather. They don't have any hardware or any other supplies that you might need. They do carry some leather conditioning type items, but other than that, they're really just for leather. But some of their other deals are so good, it's totally worth your time in my opinion. And then their shipping rates seem to vary. I really couldn't find a firm shipping policy on their website. It seemed to be kind of hidden under each item. So you won't really know what you're dealing with shipping wise there. Although I did notice all of their outlet and sale stuff does seem to offer free shipping always. So just be aware that their shipping policy is a little more vague than the other places. The next one is Rocky Mountain Leather Supply. This, as I have gotten more deep in my leather business, has become kind of my go-to for leather. They offer super high quality leather, typically from Europe. So if you're looking for really unique leather, and especially if you're looking for really amazing Italian leather, which is what I typically buy from them, they are the place to go. They have everything you could ever want that way. Beautiful colors, all different styles of leather that you might want. So I really love them. They have reasonable prices, in my opinion, with a few caveats in that comment. And they do offer discounts if you buy multiple pieces from the same company. So if you buy 2 sides from the same leather tannery, you will get a discount. And as you buy 5, you get an even deeper discount. So the more you buy, the more discounts you get. But it all has to be from the same tannery. That's the only caveat there. And also, if you keep an eye out, they throw some pretty amazing deals in their outlet section. I have gotten some stuff for really, really good prices in that section. So that's always worth kind of looking at if you're looking for something specific. The cons of them is they are not a one-stop shop. They're mostly leather. They do have some tools and some hardware, but I think you're better off going to Tandy or Buckle Guy probably for those items. So that's just kind of how I feel about them. They also, what they call a side, tends to be a little smaller than a side you would buy from, say, Tandy or Weaver or Horween, or I'm sorry, Tannery Row. But they're very usable sides. As you start to look at different sides, you'll see that sometimes these really large sides have sections that are more or less unusable for large projects. And the stuff from Rocky Mountain Leather Supply, although they're quote smaller, they are very usable. So it's kind of a trade-off there. Lastly, Rocky Mountain Leather Supply's shipping is the best of any of these. Rocky Mountain Leather Supply's shipping is free shipping on anything, no minimum. And it's probably part of the reason that I deal with the slightly smaller sides, because of that free shipping. I know that if I buy 1 side or 5, I'm paying no shipping on their stuff. And again, that's where the reasonable price thing sort of comes in as well, because I know that the shipping is sort of baked into the price, and so it kind of comes out quite nicely. The last place I want to talk about is Sailrite. Now, Sailrite is largely known more for fabric and outdoor fabric items, sails, hence the name Sailrite, but also outdoor fabrics and things like that. More recently, they have really upped their game when it comes to things for leathercraft. I haven't bought any actual leather from them, but I think they're worth checking out, and their prices seem to be quite reasonable for leather, especially if you're starting out. I have bought some of their tools. Their tools are quite good, and just price compare across the different places when it comes to that. And also they have some starter sewing machines at good prices. If you were to go over to Tandy Leather and look at their industrial sewing machines, their starting prices is about $1,500 to about $2,000. Whereas if you watch for sales at Sailrite, you can get their leathercraft machine for right around $1,000. I know it's still expensive, but it definitely is worth looking into if you want a machine to start doing some sewing with a sewing machine. One of the cons is in their sewing machines, and that all of their sewing machines, up to their starter ones, up to their much more heavy duty industrial ones, are all flatbeds. And typically what you want more when coming to leathercraft is you do want what's called a cylinder arm, which allows you to maneuver pieces around. So something to think about. I do own a starter Sailrite leather sewing machine, and I love it, and I use it for some stuff, and I hand stitch other items. And since I have never bought the leather from them, I can't really state the quality exactly. So I'm calling that a con because I haven't personally bought the leather from them. It is a newer addition to their products on their website. The other thing is their shipping. So their shipping is $200 is the minimum order you need to make to get free shipping. It's the highest of all of these I've mentioned, but there are no exclusions. When I bought my sewing machine, which is very heavy, I got free shipping. So that was super nice, and I really appreciated that. So I know I've talked about a lot of different places you can shop, and I think you just need to work through these things yourself to decide what places are what you need, depending on your style and what prices work for you. I hope that you found this beneficial. I hope it helps you decide where you might want to shop for your leather in the future. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.